In this video, we'll see how to quickly update your videos. Go to Products, Update Listed Products, and here you have an option to update videos. Click on that. So here you can see the drop downs to update the video information. Click on Video Information, Settings. You can set the video as the default product page. For that you need to click on this checkbox. To update the video details, you have to enter the number here, 1, and title of your video, video type, status, and here you need to add the video ID. So if your URL address is this, so the ending there will be an ID, unique ID code. So you need to enter that ID. Say for example, if my URL address is this, so the end XMDR that becomes the video ID. So you need to remove this. So only this becomes the video ID. At the end, whatever is the details that you need to put here. And then here you can have an icon type. It can be a video snapshot or a manual icon. You can select the image from your local server. And once that is done, add the description of the video. You can describe whatever is mentioned in the video. And once that is done, click on Save Video. The same you can do with your other products also. So at a time you can add videos to all your products. So once everything is added, you need to click on Save. So this will save the information for your video details. If you have any queries, you can write to us at sellers@fearl.com. Thank you.